Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little catch-up update on the Lexus RX 300 that we are going to be donating to charity the first weekend in April. If you haven't seen the first 3 videos I made in this car, where my team and I do a really thorough inspection, then I've linked those in the description below, so go ahead and check them out so you're caught up. After we did that inspection, we realized that there were a lot of things that we needed for the car, not just to make it able to pass inspection and make it be safe, but also cosmetically, if you, well, Exhibit A, we're missing a front grille section, which you would know already if you watched the first videos that I made about this. So anyways, in this video, we are heading back to Pull Apart in Corpus Christi, where we got this Lexus from originally, and we get everything that we need for it. And also, we share some junkyard tips and tricks in this video as well, so stay tuned, because maybe you'll learn a thing or two. Look at it! There's our grill, y'all. Who wants to pull the grill off?
Down. Make sure you don't have to stop that. Okay. And we're here. But right now with the hood, it's you know, questionable. It could fall on us.
Oh yeah, the hood struts are blown.
Yeah, so they're blown. So this is actually gonna help hold it. So what you do is just put it on. You tighten it all the way, and then after this, now it's not gonna go anywhere. So I don't have to worry about working on it and it falling on me.
Very cool, thanks.
Do you see what I see? Check this out. Can we pull these out?
Oh, never mind. That's not what I was seeing. I thought you were like are they screens? Oh yeah, y'all ready to pimp y'all's right out. I know I needed the side marker, but which one was it?
Actually, we do need that one. We need that side. But start by pulling the one on the opposite side first in case anything breaks. Because I honestly can't remember, and we don't have any service information out here. So practice on the one we don't need first, and then you'll know how to take the side off that we do need. Cool, all right, let's get to it. You need plastics. Oh, you got plastics. Oh, look at you.
Ooh, that is awesome.
What's that? I know! I know!
I like the thing I like about the Junkyard is you don't have to put it back.
Yeah, you can just do it all jacked up.
And actually, right, if you don't, it makes it easier for the next person.
Yeah.
Are you a 10? No, you're an 11.
That's like the only time it's okay to leave a job unfinished.
Yeah.
Look at this bumper's been painted. So they broke it and they glued it.
What is that
that's
for,
not your
Brittany?
fault.
This is the receiver for the key fob.
Oh wow, it's back here?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
And it is a very tedious process to program. You have to turn the key and turn the key and step on this and push this button and hold them at the same time.
I've done one of these.
Yeah.
I'm short and I can't reach up there, so I need something to stand on.
Let's remove a wheel.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Heck yeah. 21 millimeter. I don't actually. I don't actually have a. Oh, we don't have a 21? I was thinking about it. I'm like, are we gonna pull wheel? I'm like, we're not gonna pull wheel.
I know it. I thought the same thing. And
I also want someone to grab all the center caps because I like these ones better than the ones that we have, because we have these ones are gold.
Yeah.
On the black one, I want to swap the gold ones onto ours because I think it'll look prettier.
I bet I can pull the center cap. That is something I think I can.
Yes, Jenna, you're all over it. So actually, you know, the real way to pull them out is to take the wheel 100% off and you punch
And
them
then
out from the other
push
side.
them from the other side.
Yeah.
But I'm too lazy to
No, we don't even have a cleaner in the pocket, so.
that's why maybe I could fill it
Look
out
at
a
that!
little bit.
Woo! I got it!
Let me see.
Okay, we got that one.
You got it?
Yeah, I got one of them, but not the other one. I got a. Oh, hell yeah! Try on it with a
There we go.
smaller pry bar. Nice! Oh my god, this one has run over something major. Whoa. Hey, look who just showed up!
It's becoming my thing to be late to the party now.
Angie, you are the party. We can begin now.
So we've got a whole bunch of stuff already, but there's some stuff we still need. We still need the interior trim, the e-brake cable, that section of exhaust, and I'm grabbing the servo motor. Let's pull out a couple instrument clusters, because then we have one to practice on, and we have one to take sacrificial bulbs out of. Because there are like 5 different bulbs in there, and if I was to buy every single bulb, it would be well over $200.
Okay, so
in bulbs.
Pull a bunch of bulbs today.
Yeah, so if we can pull out this cluster, that cluster. So now that I've started my business, I have less time, but it's still just like something that I like to do for fun.
Yeah, I've always wanted to have, you know, happy. Yeah, exactly.
How you doing, Angie?
Look at all those bulbs.
Damn! Oh my god, that's like $200 in bulbs.
Alright, let's do it.
You did?
We got a bunch. We got some carpet, we got some rubber.
A variety.
Very nice. Ooh. Oh wow.
Then we also have.
Oh wow.
carpet.
Well, I say we test fit them and then we vote on it. All right, ladies, we shall return.
Alright, we're gonna follow you. It's gonna be like a party.
Heck yeah, we're going to 306.
Alright, meet you there.
Woo! (307) 306. Look at this Mitsubishi Montero. Lexus. Oh, its bumper is not as good.
And no wood trim.
No wood trim. Ooh, is this rear bumper? Wait, is this the same color as ours?
It is.
No.
That's a.
But it's in really good
It's in really good shape. Yeah, let's get this.
Didn't we paint it?
Yeah.
Well, we have Britt's paint and body.
It's like something graffiti. Something kids.
Love your kids.
This might be the weirdest thing I found in a car.
What is that? I don't know. Oh my God. Barbie had a bad day. What do you think, Brittany? Would you rock it?
Absolutely not.
You don't like pink?
I hate pink.
I hate pink. They had goals though.
They did.
This is like a sparkly, iridescent blue.
This is like a light blue.
Yeah.
Here, and there's that dark blue.
Oh, they tried. Imports. Oh, is this bumper in better shape?
No.
No, okay.
Floor mat. I think, I don't know, some sort of carpeting thing back here.
Oh, yeah.
We could take it because I'm really good at stain removal.
Okay.
That's awesome.
What you do is you drench it in carpet cleaner and you let it sit for like 30 minutes, and then you take a white towel and lay it over top and you iron it, and all the stains left on
What?
the white towel.
Oh, that's a nice ratcheting screwdriver.
This is the same color because the bumpers are a different color than the rest of the car.
Well, we'll put it on and we'll see how it looks. I think it's gonna look great.
Okay. Yes. Ding, ding, ding.
It's so pretty.
It is a replaced Kappa certified bumper, so it's a certified part, meaning it's gonna fit perfectly. But it is not original. I think we should take the bumper absorber,
Yeah.
just because these things are always damaged.
I got my second free tool of the day.
Woo! What'd you find?
A little screwdriver.
Nice! Whoa! Look at the master cylinder.
I honestly kind of like this.
That is a nice lesson. Look at how
We're gonna put some pretty plants in it for our backyard.
Junkyard, Martha Stewart.
Is anywhere?
Anywhere.
All right.
Thank you so
Oh my
much.
God, you're so welcome. This is YouTube subscriber. That's right.
Yeah.
You here in Corpus? Just like you live here? Or?
Yeah, I live here. Actually, I live here. I mean, I come every day here
Really?
to look for random parts.
Badass. So would we if we lived here. We drove all the way from San Antonio just to come here and pull parts. We already got everything we needed yesterday, but we're just like, now we're just back here to have
What are y'all building?
So we've got a Lexus RX 300 that we're giving away for charity, but then we've also got a bunch of project cars. So I'm here looking for stuff for my 4Runner and my Supra. Lady's got a Honda going on. We got another Honda. We got an old 60s Ford pickup. So we're just getting stuff for ourselves now
Scours it around.
and making a YouTube video.
right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks to everyone that came out and visited us while we were at Pull Apart. That was really fun. And if you have not been to CarFest before, you should totally come and cheer us on as we fix up a car for a family in need for free and watch this car be given away to someone that is probably really going to appreciate it, because we would all really appreciate having this car. So come out and support us, and stay tuned for future videos where we finish making this car perfect. Thanks y'all, bye!
I didn't think I don't think I could talk. I didn't think
Megan thought she wasn't good, but I can't talk either.
No, I 1, 2, 3, push! Hey!
It's nice. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Megan thought she wasn't gonna have fun.
No, I said I didn't think I would have this much fun.
Okay.
I know I'd have fun, but not this much fun.
Okay.
Is that better?
What is with people not changing their air filters ever? Ever. The eye patch. I'm not putting this on.
No, don't put that on.
Yeah, a library checkout card.
Oh, from what year?
2009, 2010, yeah.
They're both in there, Brittany?
Yeah.
Oh
I
my
have never in
god.
my life seen
You have the camo.
stream lights, and I lose it everywhere because it blends in. Like, no, but I really do lose it everywhere. I left it sitting on top of somebody's exhaust while I went on a test drive.
No!
The king's chair.
Nice! Good. I need to take a rest. Alright, so now that I'm sitting down.
I think we should do a game. Even Jenna knows that part.
Oh, Jenna. What's that?
That's an air filter.
Woo! Even Jenna knows that part.
It's taped on.
Oh, well that's sexy.
Here, it would take 23,034 average slaps to cook the chicken. To cook the chicken in one slap, you'd have to slap it with a velocity of 3,725.95 miles an hour.